Honorable Ezekiel Machogu, all protocols observed, and the examination council present. Good morning. First of all, let me commend the students and the teachers for the examinations well done. I think as we released this morning, we are releasing an exam that was done by students who gave their time, who gave their energy, and even the teachers who took the students through the process for quite a long time, that's 4 years. Two, I also want to commend the examination council, especially on the fanfare, that the exams now are actually not a do or die. That every child who will get results today, whether he gets a D+, whether he gets an A, that is a Kenyan who has a place in the society. And as we move forward, I want to also say that as a country, we really need to come out very clearly on where we are going to place each and every person who has done an exam. Now we'll get the A students, we'll get the B student, we'll get the E student. All these students are going to have a place. And I want to say that this is the time when we will need to look into other areas, more so the areas of TVET. And I know the PS is here. Majority of us, we need to tell these students that they have a place to go. And now, as the country, we are moving into CBC. CBC, as you all know, is competency-based. It is not now meritocracy, where we are saying who got 1, who got 2. We want to see the skills. We want to see what one can do and earn a living. So I want to say that as a country, we are going to assist the Minister of Education, Mwaso Waziri, to make sure that you succeed. And the only way you will succeed is to ensure that every child, whether in grade 7, 8, and 9, or in Form 1, 2, 3, and 4, has a place to do in the society. Lastly, I also want to say that we saw in the media when we had issues of examiners complaining. Maybe this is the time to look into their welfare and to look out what is actually happening in those examination centers, so that they will also mark and feel happy and feel part and parcel of this particular country. So with those very few remarks, I want to wish everyone who will get results well. I want to tell the students that whether you will get a C, whether you will get a D, whether you will get an A, you are all equal and you can make your life better depending on what you do yourselves with. Thank you so much and God bless you. Santi.